it is less than I'm tired. Hi guys, I'm Manil from English Climber. Welcome to this Ikea haul. So today I went to Ikea and I got some goodies. I was a little bit disappointed because I didn't find everything I was looking for, and some things were a little bit more expensive than what I thought. But overall, I did good and didn't spend too much money. Not as much as I thought I would spend. Um, today I'm gonna share with you what I bought from IKEA, which is not a lot, and at the same time it is a lot to me. So let's get to it. First thing is this box. I know it might seem ridiculous, but I can't find these boxes in Algeria, and I like the fact that it's not assembled. It was $5, I think, and I could just reproduce it for a bigger box. That's not cheating. That's not cheating, is it? I guess. The items are not in order and I don't remember all the prices. Bear with me. I got a couple of rugs. This one is gray. The first one was green. I can't talk today. Maybe I'm tired and I shouldn't film this video after all. These two were at $4 a piece, I think. I got a bathroom rug. So here's the thing, I do have one at home and it's orange. But since I'm starting English Climber baby steps and I'm gonna have them 3 mornings per week, I figured that this one would be a better color fit. I can't remember how much this was. My friend got me this and I'm debating. Should I take it or should I leave it here for when I come back? I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I take it with me to Algeria or leave it here? What do you think? The thing that will take up more space are these. Here's one, here's another. I got 4 of these, 2 of each color, and these are a big deal because I can't find them in Algeria. Obviously, you got the idea. I'm only taking things I can't find. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the prettiest of them all? Look at my setting. I did get that little mirror for the little ones, and then I looked at myself and I was like, maybe not only for the little ones. So I got these. And the reason I got them is, again, I'm starting baby steps, so toddlers, 2 to 4 year olds, and since I'm planning on having a lot of manipulatives and rice and beans and maybe some other stuff, so I thought these would be a good stuff, to just transfer, and good containers, and they're different sizes, and they're small for the little hands. So these spatulas, I got a few last year and they're just amazing, and I mean we could use them both in class and at home. I mean, just look at the colors. It's I just love them. I found this mini felt vegetable basket. And it's for role play, it's for the little kids, a little basket for the baby step students. This magical tool is not for baby steps. That is actually for me. I saw it here at my friend's and I loved it. This little baby here is an egg cutter. So it's mainly for salads, and egg salads. I just love it. It's a cool gadget. So I had to have it. So I also got these. I think they're cupcakes. It's for role play. All right. Always for the baby steps, the little ones. I got these. It's a good plastic, and they're sorted. It's the same colors, so I got bowls, cups, and spoons and forks and knives. A big win today was these. I got these with their rag, which you look for like everywhere, and you basically just stick these in here and then put them on the wall, and you could put a lot of things. Actually, you could put crayons, markers, manipulatives, a lot of things can go in here, and they're very sturdy. And I like the fact that I can hang them on the walls, so the kids have easy access. So I bought 10 of these and 2 racks, hoping that 5 can fit. Let's see. Also got these hooks. I got 2 of these. I was a little bit concerned that they are too small, but we'll see. So I got these hangers after I picked the other ones. That's why I said that I could always find something. I'm not sure you can see, but a couple of them have 2 hooks and one of them has 1. I thought they were adorable and inexpensive. So yeah, let's see. Like, I could use these for hangers instead of the hooks and have something else on the hooks. I mean, it's for space, so for space management. So always find something to do with it. Hangers. And I was thinking about art, since I didn't find, well, I did find them, but they were ridiculously expensive. The knife racks, and well, they did have their string, but it was too expensive, and I just thought that I could get any string and just put them in there. Yeah. So I got these. So my friend told me it was for a bar, like a bar kit for alcohol. I honestly didn't know. I just picked them because they were like a couple of bucks, and they're so little that, well, you know, they're so small that they would, the little hands wouldn't have any issue manipulating them. So there, I guess I'll have another use for it. These 2 I got for my son because he helps me a lot when cooking, and I just wanted to keep him interested, and so I got these measurements. Red is his favorite color, so when I saw them, I couldn't resist. I was looking for a small, mini, tiny pizza cutter, but not that one. But I mean, it's red, it matches the others, the measure cups, and so I said, and it was, I think, $1. So I was like, what the heck. But it is smaller than the regular ones, so voila. I think I showed you everything, guys. Yep, that was it. Let me know which items you were more excited about, which ones you liked, which ones you didn't, which ones you wish you had. I was also disappointed because I didn't find the pillows, the pencil pillows, or any original pillows, really. So I was like, meh. But I mean, I found a lot of small, amazing stuff, and I'm happy about the day. I'm very happy about the Ikea haul. I'm very happy about the purchases. Please like the video.
And let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know in the comment box. Please like the video if you found it at least entertaining. Consider subscribing.
Consider subscribing, that way you will not miss any future uploads. like the video if you found it entertaining at least, and leave some comments below. Friendly comments, please. I will see you next time. Until then, I'm Manel from English Climber. Bye for now. Why can I not talk today? I can't. I can do this. Of course I can. I can do this. I can do it. 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 English Climber. English Climber. It's me. Wonder if it was a good idea to film out here. Hey, makeup lasted all day. It's good. I can't speak. Why? Why can I not talk like a normal person?